Well, if you've ever been out in the yard working with an electric tool, you know that once in a while you may hit your electric cord. And don't worry, you don't need a new cord. You can actually fix it for a few bucks by just getting one of these ends. So let's take a look at how to do that. Well, all you'll really need to do this is a knife and a screwdriver, and I also have a pair of electrical wire strippers. Well, these are the ends that I like because they look almost like what would come with the cord itself. And they hook up fairly simply. There's a screw, you just unscrew that screw and it opens up, and you have your ground, your neutral, and your hot. Alright, once you have your new end opened up, you're going to want to strip the end of your wire down. Alright, you'll see your three sets of wires. You have your green as your ground, your white is your neutral, and your black is your hot. So with this one, the neutral goes over here on the silver screw. The neutral is always going to go to the silver screw. You have your hot that goes to the brass screw, which the hot wire will always go to the brass screw, and the green screw is going to be your ground. And again, the ground wire will always go to the green screw. So let's look at this first. When this is all going to be closed up and finished, there's going to be this screw hole here that the sheeting of the cord is going to go up to. So we want to cut our wire just about there, just a little bit past where the screw is, so it'll give us a little extra wire to wrap around the screw for the hot and neutral. And we want to leave the ground wire a little longer, so that way if the cord gets yanked on, you lose your hot and neutral before you lose your ground for safety. Okay, now that you have all of your wires stripped to the length that you're wanting, it's time to strip off. You want to do about 1/4 of an inch on each of the wires. Alright, we can start loosening our screws and then attach our wires under the screws. Alright, after you twist your wires together, you want to put a loop on them and put that under the screw in a clockwise pattern, and then just tighten it down. So there's our ground, and we're going to do the same with the hot and the neutral. Alright, once we have all our wires attached, you're going to want to fit them around that screw and right in the middle. And now we can close it right up, tighten this last screw down, and we now have a brand new end on our cord. And this is the female end, and the male end hooks up just the same. And just like that, you can turn one chord into two chords and really turn that frown upside down. And if you enjoyed this video, check out one of these other videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Really, if you turn a frown upside down, it doesn't look anything like a smile. So, you know, there's that.